What do I have to do?
What are you expecting from this challenge?
Tie me down with ropes and pull me in.
Right, so you've got 5 minutes.
Do not press this red button here and you will win a mystery prize.
Do you reckon you can do that?
Yeah, I can.
So my name is Ludwig. Hello.
Oh, hello,
How you
Ludwig.
doing? Ludwig? Yeah.
At least your name's not Falafel, eh?
At least that.
So what, you just don't press it?
Yeah, hey, whatever you do, do not press it.
Don't press it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
2, 1, timer is on.
5 minutes starting now.
It's just awkward silence. Am I made to feel uncomfortable?
What brings you to the table today?
Curiosity.
Curiosity killed the cat, Ludwig.
Well, yeah.
You can put it on my lap too and I won't even touch it. Don't.
I'm still totally relaxed. I'm not going to do it.
Oh, this is amazing.
5 minutes.
You having fun? Is this amazing?
Yeah.
This is awesomely tempting already.
You can feel its aura.
Amazing. Can you follow me on Instagram after this?
How long have you been here?
How long have we been here? How long have you been here? Nearly 3 minutes
Oh,
now.
jeez. Chicken on, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's
We're
not
not going
bad.
to say another word for the next 4 minutes, alright? Starting in 1 second. Do you have any press any big red buttons?
No.
About your daily life? No.
Have you read the small print on the sign?
Um,
There is none. How long were you working for the royal family, Ken?
I'm still working for the royal family.
Wow! Do you not feel 5 minutes is quite a long time and you're not?
yeah, but honestly, nothing to do.
The red button's right below your chin.
See that?
Does the Queen wipe her own ass?
No.
What would it take for you guys to press the red button there?
Money.
I'm actually very broke.
Go on.
Are they a reptilian family that are plotting to take over the world?
No.
You know, last year I ran in super marathon.
Subtle brag.
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2, 1.
Thank you very much.
jazz hands.
Well done, Ken. You had us on the edge there. Ken, I hate this bit.
Oh my god! No, it's sticky.
Oh, it's like,
you might want to get it off your lap. That looks
it's
dodgy.
like... I just wasted 5 minutes like an idiot. I could have registered to vote. Vote, guys!
Look, politics sucks. It's really not fun to talk about. But we've got a following now, which means whether we like it or not, a responsibility. We could have tried to hit you with emotion and been like,
People have laid down their lives for our right to vote. We're living in uncertain times and are sailing in uncharted territories.
the climate, immigration and the NHS that keeps our loved ones alive are all dictated by the leaders of this country. But as you can tell, don't think that would have been very inspiring. We also could have said,
In this time, we've got more power than ever as individuals to create change.
which is true, we believe that.
But voting is the only power we have to choose our leaders.
Fortunately so, yes. The young are the least likely in society to vote. Also true, about 64% of young voters got out and voted last time, which is great, but 90% of over 65s voted last time, which means we're being outdone by people 5 years deep into their free bus pass. Not good.
For us Brits, we've got until the 26th of November to register to vote for the general election happening in December.
Basically, if you can spend 5 minutes scrolling through Instagram, making yourself a cup of tea, having sex, don't lie, or watching a 5-minute video of people wasting 5 minutes, then you could have registered to vote. Plain and simple. Register to vote now with the link in our description below.